We are still processing the fact that Google just randomly dropped a solution for one of the biggest headaches in tech, airdropping between a Pixel and an iPhone. Out of nowhere, Google announced that the Pixel 10 and Pixel 9 series can now communicate directly with Apple's ecosystem, including iPhones, iPads, and Macs. It barely got a headline, but we've been toying with it all morning, and the truth is, it really works, and it's actually kind of magical. But there is a specific secret setup you need to follow to get those files moving. First, the hardware. Currently, this is a Pixel exclusive. You'll need a Pixel 10 or a Pixel 9 series device. Though keep in mind, the Pixel 9a is excluded for now. Google says more devices are coming, but these are the VIPs for the launch. Next, you have to hunt down the right software. You'll need to be on the latest Google Play System update, which you can find under your system software settings. But the real secret sauce is a semi-hidden Quick Share extension v1.0.8 that Google released as a standalone update. Without this specific version, the AirDrop handshake won't happen. Once you're updated, the process is surprisingly familiar. To send from a Pixel to an iPhone, you just open Quick Share, hit the Send tab, and pick your files. On the Apple side, the recipient just needs to set their AirDrop to Everyone for 10 minutes. Suddenly, your Pixel 10 will see that iPhone or Mac just like another Apple device. Tap it, hit Accept on the iPhone, and you're done. And yes, it works both ways. If you want to send from a Mac to a Pixel, you just put the Pixel in receive mode. Your Android phone will actually show up in the standard Apple AirDrop UI. It feels like the walled garden just grew a gate. While we don't know if Apple will eventually try to patch this out, for now, it's the most seamless cross-platform sharing we've ever seen.